please request to vlog. Ano yan?
Butterfly.
Fit check, fit check.
Girl, the hair is so small.
Ikaw naman. How's the trip so far?
I'm still hungry. I want xiaolongbao. Xiaolongbao.
Xiaolongbao.
Yes!
You want
This girl has
sugar
been
cane?
craving. No, you can have that. I don't like that.
Ah, saan sila Jazz? Nawala. Ano yung nahanap natin? Pero dito daw tayo. So we're trying these. What's this one? King crab. And this one. Lumpiang may damit. Hi.
Haggard's walk.
So Jasmine is about to taste this special kikiam and she's scared because it looks ay, may kausap. Sino yan? Oh. Special lumpia.
And now mommy will try it.
Kamusta, Daddy? It's good. Literal na konti.
I will visit you. But it's it.
How is it? Talaga?
Sweet and the spicy with
Kamusta yung kikiam? Sarap. Jasmine, ikaw na lang di nakaka-try.
Julia will try the special kikiam. We are in Great Eastern one of the oldest restaurant here in Binoy.
Wow.
This is since 1950.
It's giving Kuya Kim. Nakahat pa siya.
You dip the sauce. This is sweet and sour sauce.
Ano po? Thank you so much.
The special one is sweetie. How was it?
It's better than
Julia, you prefer you remove the wrapper and some sauce.
Can I taste the lumpia first?
It's good.
Can I be first?
Put a lot of and it's good with like sauce. You should try. It's really good. Dito ko natutunan yan eh. More Julia, more.
Girl, you're putting sauce on everything besides the part I'm gonna eat.
Okay, okay.
Wala na, lumpia hubad na siya. Hindi na siyang lumpia.
It's okay.
Kada sa 5, pakawat na. Pag-ising isa rin.
Don't judge me. So judge me.
Oh, now Julia, it's your turn. Hindi naman maglalagay ng madami. Just a little.
Good, no?
Good night,